The printing industry plays an important role in supporting Malaysia's economy and industrial development. However, despite this development, the industry is currently facing a shortage of skilled labor.
Now, I will explain the first factor that contributes to the skill labor shortage, which is employment practices. Many industries prefer to hire experienced workers instead of fresh graduates. Even though graduates have academic knowledge, they are often not accepted because they lack hands-on experience and practical skills. This situation happens because companies usually have limited budget and time to provide training for new employees, so they choose experienced workers who can start work immediately. As a result, fresh graduates face difficulties in entering the job market, while industries struggle to fill positions due to the limited number of experienced workers available. This creates a mismatch between education and industry needs. In addition, low wages also contribute to the problem as they reduce the industry's ability to attract and retain skilled workers. If this issue continues without proper solutions, it may negatively affect productivity and weaken Malaysia's competitiveness in the future.
Now, I will explain the second factor of skilled labor shortage in Malaysia's printing industry, which is the poor quality of printing training institute and education. According to the article, many training institutions fail to address critical skills areas needed by the printing industry. Students mainly learn theory, but they do not receive enough practical training. Because of this, graduates' skills do not match what employers need in real working environment. Next, there is a lack of exposure to modern printing technologies. While the printing industry already uses advanced machines and digital technology, many training institutes still use outdated equipment. As a result, graduates struggle to operate modern machines when they start working. Another issue is the lack of collaboration between training institutes and industry players. Without close cooperation, students do not receive proper guidance on job roles, industry expectations, and real workplace requirements. This makes it difficult for graduates to adapt when they enter the workforce. As a result, these problems create a skills gap which contributes to the shortage of skilled workers in Malaysia's printing industry.
The third causes of shortage in Malaysia printing service is industry perception of young generation, job seeker, and general public. Negative perception directed at the printing industry is not innovative, not attractive, and irrelevant, which printing only associate with old machine and print media that is increasingly abundant. In general, the printing industry has evolved towards digital printer, soft-based graphic, and 3D printing. Besides printing, work associated with hot, noisy, and dusty due to operation of large-scale machinery and chemicals such as ink and solvent. Workers are required to use high energy consumption such as standing for a long period, lifting heavy material, and working to tight schedule. Last but not least, many people assume that this job does not require skill or high education and not offer good social status compared to other professions such as engineering and medicine. Declining of development of digital media create unstable and little granted for future. The solution to overcome shortage in industry service is through effective human resource management. To attract best talent, initiatives such as provision of industrial training or internship program is needed. Besides, do it job vacancy advertisement through job street and participating career fairs, close to training center and education institution to ensure supply of qualified and skilled labor is always sufficient. Furthermore, competitive remuneration package given to higher salaries workers with high cost of living, attractive job offer increase in the term and career opportunity. Positive workplace environment to ensure employee feel valued. Last but not least, hiring foreign workers is another strategy to address this issue. They not have background in printing industry, but they are able to gain knowledge and skill in short period. Learning program and ongoing monitoring can help them to gain deep understanding of company operation.
The second solution to overcome this issue, the article suggests several strategies under skills development and training. One strategy is mentorship and managerial coaching, where experienced employees guide new or less experienced workers. This helps reduce mistakes and misunderstanding at the workplace. Another solution is on-the-job training and annual training plans, which allow employees to learn while working and develop the exact skills needed by the industry. Lastly, motivation through salary and incentives can encourage employees to continuously improve their skills and remain in the industry.
Next, I will explain the third factor, which is technology advancement. To overcome the skilled labor shortage, industries are investing in advanced technologies. New employees are also provided with training so they can become familiar with automation and digitalization. In the printing industries, examples include digital printing presses, computer-to-print systems, and automated finishing equipment. With these advanced technologies, companies can reduce the dependence on manual labor because the machines are easier to operate and require fewer specialized skills. Automation and digitalization also help simplify production processes, which increase efficiency and productivity. In addition, continuous training and upskilling programs provided by machine suppliers help workers adapt quickly on the system.
Overall, combining technology investment with training helps reduce the skill gap and supports the long-term sustainability of the industry.
To conclude, the shortage of skilled labor is a serious challenge faced by Malaysia's printing industry. This issue has a negative impact on productivity, work quality, efficiency, and the competitiveness of the industry.